being given by Don Nelson, the trainer of Phil Rose. He says you got to get your jab going. You have to land the jab first and then throw the right. And you can come back behind that right with a strong left hook. We'll see if he takes that advice. And Holmes might have thought he had Rose in a spot of bother, but Rose came right back. As I said, let's take a look at the keys to victory for these fighters. Holmes, he's really a middleweight. He's stronger. He hits hard. He must be focused. Prepare for 7 rounds. An uppercut by Rose. Rose, on the other hand, is resilient. He's strong. He must stay close. Work inside. And throw that straight right. Oh, that's a right by Rose, and he backed away. And you can see where he is trying to execute the advice of his coach. Throw the jab and then the right. Inside 2 minutes of round 2. A left-right combination by Rose. Those are telling punches. Wow, I'm seeing some power from Rose here tonight. Missing with that right. I think Holmes he's cut. Is that from an accidental clash of heads, or is that from a punch? Holmes generally loses his cool when he is cut, and he is cut here. I would very much like to see a replay of when that possibly occurred. And it gets the blood gets into the eyes, and that's not a knockdown. That's not a knockdown. Shoved to the ground. And he will be bothered by the knowledge that he is cut. And Rose missed. I'm not quite sure he missed, and he stopped. And Holmes went in for the kill. And that was quite legitimate. Never turn your back in boxing, and you must prepare and protect yourself at all times. A left hook by Holmes. And Holmes is fighting like a caged animal. 17 seconds to go. I'm keen to see where and when that